Um, I've been indecisive for the past 2 days. The 2 days since I got this package. Dahil nasira laptop ko because of the busted hard drive. So figured na baka hindi ko na magamit ito. But naalala ko na this new gadget of mine can also accommodate mobile phones and tablets. For the sake of content, buksan na natin ito. Hindi ko kailangan ng content dito. A few days before my laptop said bye-bye, yung sound card ang nasira sa akin. And that was right, but luckily it happened right after my Critics Hub stream over my anime channel. I had no choice but to buy a new one. Kailangan ko na this Sunday. As usual, wrap and bubble wrap. Wala, mabubuksan natin ng bare handed nito. Okay. Apa yung tape. Isa makapa yung tape na ginagamit ko. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Hindi na ako ganun kalakas. Here it is, guys. My new sound card. Let's take a look at the contents. Chords, usual chords. Nandiyan pa yung mga chord ng mga dati kong sound card pero I'll be keeping them for para may spare tayo. So here's the sound card itself. Okay, medyo mabigat to. I'd like to know kung kasi I don't know. Yeah, but anyway, so its actual test will be tomorrow.
The next day.
All right, we're now trying the recording with the new sound card. Ito yun, guys. Right? Hindi naman kailangan na magarang recording setup eh. I just want to test it out. So, buksan na natin ngayon yung speaker. Ngayon, natin pakikinggan kung ano ang quality ng sound nito. Right? Buksan na natin. Mic test, mic. 1, 2, 3. Mic test, mic. 1, 2, 3. Okay po, primal sound ko. Okay. Bakit parang hindi ko marinig ang... Ay! Kaya pala. Nakahugot. Dali lang, guys, ha. Sa monitor dapat ito. Subukan natin. Mic test. Whoa! Lakas! Ang lakas! Alright? So, yeah. Okay yung sound niya. External sound. Teka. That yung bass. On the bass. And na natin treble. Accompaniment volume. Sorry. Ito ngayon magiging accompaniment medium natin. So, because my laptop's hard drive got busted. Ngayon hindi ko mapagawa. So baka ibenta ko na 'yon. Okay? So if you're open to buying to refurbish laptops, candidate yung laptop ko. Let's try a file from my YouTube. Okay. Pero maganda yung sound, ha? Maganda yung sound, guys. Okay, maganda yung sound. I like it. Teka, ito natin yung monitor. Maganda yung sound niya. Oh, okay, nag-echo. Okay, now let's try the sound effects. Uy, mas matagal! Mas matagal yung cheer effect niya kaysa doon sa lumang sound card ko. Okay. Nice. PUBG. Okay yun, okay yun. Awesome! Yun, okay. Gunshot. Uy, okay. Okay, sound effects. Now, let's go back to the accompaniment. Pili na lang tayo na kahit anong video sa akin dito. Alright, I'm gonna choose this one. On, play. Okay, I'm gonna let it play. Tapos, natin kung gagana. May graphics siya, guys. Ito, tingnan nyo, ha? So, habang nagsasalita ako, gumagana yung mga, anong yan, yung mga lights na yan. So, it means, talagang pumapasok yung mic voice natin. Laki ng ano ko? I had to scramble for the settings on my tablet, eh. Wala nung, yung biglang, hindi na gumana yung hard drive ng, ano ko, ng laptop ko.
24.
Yun. Uy, nawala. Listen to the phone.
If you can find happiness, I will feel like my... 1874. If you can find happiness, I will feel like my life had some meaning. Sumiye.
Ito yung file na yun, guys. Okay? Pakinggan nyo, ha?
Wisdom from Meiji Gekken, 1874. If you can find happiness, I will feel like my life had some meaning. Sumiye.
Okay? Okay na yan. So, ang ganda yung quality ng ng sound card, okay? It's medyo dagdag sa buton na mamastering ko, eh. But anyway, that'll be I'll be over it by tomorrow morning. Okay? So delivery and promptness ng item. Wow. Okay. Ang bilis mag-pack, ang bilis ding ipadala. I only ordered this nung Monday. Okay, as of this recording, of course. Dumating na sa akin nung Huwebes, 2 days ago. Kanina, kagabi ko lang kasi, of course, kagabi lang natin in-unbox. So, wow. Alright, talagang very prompt ang seller, very prompt din ang mga rider. So, ano final verdict natin for our new sound card? Since hawak ko ang mic, and if you want to if you want to secure a unit of your own and judge it for yourselves, nandyan sa pin comment ang link.